you may have noticed that the cones have been reduced down quite a bit. Reduced them down. And also too, I put a groove right down the middle here, which splits the mesial buccal and the distal buccal cusp, which represent the buccal groove. Okay, you put that down there, and you notice that the cusp or the cones are lined up. It may not be exact, they're lined up or close to the landmarks we made. Okay, now I'm going to shift gears to the molder that we're working on, and it has to have, the cones have to represent the cusp tips that we're working with. And if you notice that we have the mesial buccal and we have the distal lingual, and we have also the distal buccal cusp and the distal cusp. And you notice that the distal buccal cusp and the distal cusp, and you see in the background, you see the distal lingual cusp peeking between the two. And you'll notice on this, so you have to do the same thing. See that right back here? You see these two cusps, which represent, and that way in the background here, that represent the distal lingual. This is the buccal, distal buccal, and the distal cusp. And these two cusps, you can't quite see. They're parallel to one another. You can barely see it, just as you would see here. So that's what you want to look at. And look at your notes. And what helps you a whole lot, if you look under close examination of buccal surface, it'll help you to see that too, in the close examination of the lingual surface in your manual. So we're going to move on to the next step.